Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and I just got my hands on the brand new DJI Flip. Now this is a 4K drone that starts at $439 with a remote control. Now this also folds up, as you can see, which is really unique. This is pretty cool, and in this video we're really just going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to do a detailed close look so you can actually check this out. Later on in the video, I'm going to provide specs. I'll even have small clips on all the modes this has, because this will actually follow you and do a couple of really cool things that make it real easy. So why don't we go ahead and check this out? Let's get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. Just to set your expectations, this is what we're covering in this video. Let me start off by telling you I will not be demonstrating this. I'm going to keep it as short as sweet. But I'm doing a normal unboxing so you can actually see how it's packed and then see what's included. I'm going to cover additional available packages so you know pricing. We're going to take a super detailed look, and that's where we'll spend most of the time. And then later on, I'm going to highlight key features. I'm going to go over some short videos on different modes like droney and circle and 4 more. And then I'll provide you some high-level specs. So let's check this out. So at a high level, these are really the key features of this drone. First of all, I'm impressed. It's $439 with a remote. And, you know, it's similar to the Neo, but this actually has more sensors, so it won't crash into things. But this is a foldable drone. It actually uses carbon propeller guards, which is really nice because they're light and strong. And the battery can offer a 31-minute flight time. Obviously, you're not going to be flying fast and flying far. It has a 48 megapixel photo capability, 4K video up to 100 frames per second. This has 3D infrared sensing that works day and night. Voice control, so if you use the app on your phone, and you don't have to, but if you use the app on the phone, you can use voice to actually tell it what to do. It is really light. I mean, 8.8 ounces or 249 grams. It's got subject tracking, and it's got 6 intelligent shooting modes: droney, circle, rocket, helix, boomerang, and spotlight. But let's jump in now and unbox this. So let's go ahead and do a normal unboxing. So we've got a sticker in here. We've got some booklets, your quick start guide, and a few other things. Here is your drone folded up. Again, this is my first time touching this thing, by the way. So pretty interesting. So small. We'll put that over here. We got a box in here, which should have the remote control, by the way. So we'll take this out. All right, so we've got one cable that is a USB Type-C to a Lightning for your iPhone, which should change soon and be USB-C to USB-C, depending on what iPhone you have. This is going to connect, I believe, to your phone on the remote. That's what this is made for. You get propellers, all right? That's good. So you get a replacement propeller. It shows you which one goes which way, so A and B, and where they go specifically, so you could see they're actually showing you pictures. So you get that. Here's your remote, and, oh, okay. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. You get a screwdriver for your propellers. So you can put that on. then you get your remote. And again, first time seeing this remote. But yeah, there goes the little joysticks down there that get screwed in on here. But that is the unboxing. Let's go ahead and take a close look. Let's take a close look at the drone. So we'll start off on the right side, the left side, and you'll see there's a mode button here. So this is how you switch your modes if you want to fly like without a remote control. If you want to try like droney or circle or rocket. So that's the mode button. Here is your USB-C for charging and your micro SD card slot for your memory. On the right side, your battery meter. So if I tap that, this thing is pretty dead, which is fine. Removing the battery, you just push these two buttons in and pull up, and the battery will come off. So it's really a big piece of the structure of this unit. So you push it back in, push down, your battery's on. Now I'm going to take off the protector, the gimbal protector, and you just have to push the sides in, these two sides, and it will come off. And then there's another protector you're going to see in a moment that actually just slid off. But that protector there was on the gimbal. So it's nice that they included that. And it does, you know, if you're going to go ahead and put it back on, you can do that. And it'll protect it from dust and things like that. And then we'll do that there. So that is, by the way, your 3D infrared sensing system day and night. That's what's going to protect itself from hitting trees and hitting walls. There are sensors on the bottom also. I'll show you in a little while. But now let's go ahead and open this up. And here are these carbon fiber propeller guards. So let's start off. As you can see here, these are the front propellers. So we're going to open them up. Real nice mechanism, I'll tell you. Amazing. Feels really sturdy and strong. So that's that. And now here's the rear. Now this battery is dead. If it wasn't, by default, when you open up all the propellers, this thing will turn on. But since the battery's dead, it's not doing that. Now we look at the bottom. So first of all, if you sit this down, you'll notice that, you know, this kind of keeps it up in the front and back on the bottom. I'm going to try to find landing gear. That's what I want to find. But looking at it from the bottom, you'll see it has two additional sensors, and it's got these ropes. You see these ropes? So when you open and close the mechanisms here, and then those ropes with the wires and the, you know, I'm assuming obviously the electric wires and stuff are in there, but that's pretty impressive. So the remote, all you do is pull these out, and you can store them later on. But you just put these in. You just screw these in. All right. You charge it down here. This pops up, and it'll hold a smartphone. Before I put a smartphone in, I want to show you that it already has a cable in here. So if I pull this cable out, this is a Type-C cable that's in here, wrapped in here. That's the reason why they give you the one that includes an iPhone. So if you want to use this with an iPhone, you would put this cable in. If you want to use this with a newer iPhone or an Android, you would leave this in. You just have to pull that out right there. Then you take your phone, you slide it in this way on the top, push it up, and it has a little section here that grabs the actual phone and holds it in place. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I tried this one with this case and it didn't work. It's just too big. This is an S23 Ultra. so it's too big. But now you just plug in your USB Type-C, and you can now use your control and all the functions. And that is our close look. Now I'm going to show you some short clips that I downloaded off the DJI website so you can see some of the modes. Really simple, short demonstrations. So here's some information on pricing. I'm going to break down the packages and kind of show you what's included. And I'll also leave you with some helpful spec slides as well. So here are the three options available as of February 2025. Keep in mind they all include the gimbal protector, screwdriver, and spare propellers, along with a Type-C cable. But as you can see, starting at $439 with the RC-N3 remote and one battery, not bad, $439. Now you move up with a better control, a much better control with a beautiful 5.5-inch display. That's $639. Again, you get a battery and all of the other accessories. Now for $780, the big difference here is you're getting the charging hub, and you're getting 3 batteries along with a bag, and of course the beautiful RC2 remote. Now that charging hub also charges devices, so when you put the batteries in, if you ever need to charge your phone, you can do that also. So $779. All right, guys. Well, I sure hope our video helped you in some way. And if it did, do me a big favor and give us a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. And hey, if you could share our video with your friends and your family, that would be awesome. I'm going to put my social media channels right up top. If you want to follow us on social media, go right ahead and send us a message. Let us know that you did. And hey, check out our new Tesla channel. When you get a chance, just look us up at My Tesla Journey 1. And subscribe if you can. I'm going to put a video here on the right side of the screen where my finger is. If you have time, check that out. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at techmadeezy, all you got to do is click this round techmadeezy logo right there, and you'll be able to subscribe on the spot and join the family. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.